Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to insert a signature in Adobe Acrobat. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Adobe Acrobat and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find recent files, start files, and right here you're going to find Adobe Cloud Storage, agreements, and other file storage. And from here, you can add a file storage. Right here, you're going to find the recommended tools for you. And if you click on see all tools, you can see all of the tools right here in this list. Right here, if you click on open file, you can choose any file that you want from your computer to work with. You can also set as default PDF reader. And right here, if you click on recent, you're going to find the recent PDFs. So for example, I'm going to click on this one. So once you click on it, right here in the right, you're going to find some options like share, request a signature, edit a PDF, export, organize pages, add comments, and right here you're going to find fill and sign. Go ahead and click on fill and sign, and then you're going to be taken to this page. Right here you're going to find the sign option. So as you can see guys, this is a saved signature for me. And you can also add a new signature by clicking on plus. And then you can either type it, you can draw it, or you can add an image. So for example, I'm going to click on draw and then I'm going to add any signature like this. And then from here, you can save initial or not save it. Click on apply. And as you can see guys, now this is how you can add the signature. So right now you need to place it anywhere that you want. For example, I'm going to place this right here. You can also change the size of the signature, make it bigger like this. From here, you're going to find the option to increase the size or to decrease it or to remove it. And if you click right here, you're going to find signature, initials, cross mark, and check mark. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.